The National Investigation Agency (NIA) is likely to investigate the ambush triggered by PLA militants in Manipur. Securities were beefed up in the border areas of Manipur after the militants on Saturday ambushed a convoy of Assam rifles, killing Colonel Biplab Tripathi, his wife, his son, and 4 Jawans. The Central Investigating Agency is waiting for the final orders before it takes over the case, Republic TV reported. Meanwhile, Assam Rifles and Manipur Police have reportedly apprehended 2 militants on Monday. As per reports, the suspected militants belonging to PLA have been handed over to state police for further investigation. On Saturday, Colonel Biplab Tripathi, the commanding officer of 46 Assam Rifles of Khuga Battalion, his wife and son, and 4 personnel were killed in an ambush carried out by militants in Churachandpur district on Saturday. Hours after the attack, PLA and Manipur Naga People's Front (MNPF) claim responsibility for the ambush.